Hey, I'm Monica B., the creator of HeyMonicaB.com and author of In Your Elements, a blooming Ayurvedic guide to creating your best life. My constitution is predominantly Pitta, so it's very easy for my Pitta to become elevated. I tend to notice it when I catch myself feeling irritable and judgy, mostly with myself. My inner critic comes out and I say sassy things in my head like, I'm not achieving anything or I don't have time. The number one way that I chill out my Pitta is to make sure I take enough time for breaks. Take my dog to the park, take time to breathe, take time to just sit and doodle or read. High Pitta makes me feel like I have to get everything done, like right now, but taking breaks helps me stay relaxed and actually boosts my productivity. Pitta loves to keep striving, but it's crucial to stop and recognize everything you actually accomplish. I use lists to see what I've done and review them often. Then I make sure to celebrate how hard I've worked. Food and herbs play a big role in keeping Pitta cool. I focus on fresh, grounding, light and cooling foods and eat more fruit like apples, berries, grapes, avocado, and coconut when I feel like my Pitta is high. I stop drinking coffee and cut out garlic and onions too. I always take 2 healthy Pitta tablets in the morning with water.